Nipidang subhai pi baro asasisian part chaknika channel kajongi but haknika video kabom tasngi ngin pe yekini ki post ki brang shulai thma hepo Shillong Meghalaya. Shabeng insdang yekanika video sngobha subscribe yekanika channel but turn on your new notification bell kanang bapinum do yeki videos ki bangi upload. Pila ruban follow yengi hepo ka Instagram kani kadika Instagram account kajongi. Yagini ki post la palat daka NEIGRIHMS mentau benai arajar arpuar. Ki kertain jing ki post kilongkumne Junior Perfusionist, Occupational Therapist, Physiotherapist, Junior Engineer Electrical, Storekeeper, Health Inspector, Pharmacist, Audiometric Technician, Technical Assistant, Dental Mechanic, Dental Hygienist, Diet Clerk, Hindi Typist, but Darkroom Assistant. Kelas date lanika tarik bakado bapila ban submit yaki applications ki jongpi kadai hapo kashi banai na kanika tarik baki penmi yakanika official notification kabadai haka nyu tarik banai January arajar arpuar. Ya ka post diet clerk kabalai kawai ka salary lanika tolop kadai ka khandai hajar khandai spa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai la post 6 ke educational qualification kalongkumne pla de ban pendap ya ka kelas 10 lane ka matric pat pideru bandan ka knowledge ha ka typing but maintenance jangka diet register stock ledger nakano ka reputed hospital ya ka post dental mechanic ka balai laitali ka salary lane ka tulap kadai 8,000 sanspa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai lai post 6 ka educational qualification kalongkumne pila de ban pendap ya ka matric but pila de ban pendap ya ka dental mechanic course ka ba arsnam nakano ka institute ka bala recognized da ka dental council of India ken kam I preference ba ya kitu ki bala done experience arsnam kum u dental mechanic but kitu ki bala done special training lani ka experience ha ka crown and bridge chrome cobalt myofunctional orthodontic appliances. Ya ka post dental hygienist ka balai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kadai 8,000 sanspa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai lai post 6 ka educational qualification kalongkumne pila de ban pendap ya ka kelas 10 lani ka matric bab hide ban don ka diploma arsnam lani ka certificate haka dental hygienist nakano ka institute ka bala recognized da ka dental council of India bab pihak bandai ru bala adab ban registered kum u dental hygienist haka dental council of India. Ya ka post Hindi typist ka balai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kadai khandai hajar khandai spa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai lai post 6 ka educational qualification kalongkumne pila adai ban pendap ya ka kelas 12 bab pide ru bandang ban type lai pho teli ki kintin hakashi minit da ka tin Hindi haka computer. Ya ka post darkroom assistant ka balai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kadai khandai hajar khandai spa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai lai post 6 ke educational qualification kalongkumne pila de ban pendap ya ka matric bat pide ru bandon ka diploma shisnam lani ka certificate haka radiography nakano ka institute kin kam I preference ba ya gitu ki bala don shisnam experience kum u dark room assistant. Ya ka post junior perfusionist ka balai artali ka salary lani ka tulap kadai lai 1,000 sauspa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai lai 1,000 ke educational qualification kalongkumne pila de ban pendap ya ka BSc degree bab pide ru ban pendap arsnam ka post graduation hak ka course perfusion technology pila de ru ban pendap ya ka internship ka basisnam hak ka perfusion technology pidon kam ru minimum sisnam working experience hak ka cardiopulmonary bypass CPB ya ka open heart surgery. Ya ka post occupational therapist ka balai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kadai 8,000 sauspa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai 8,6 ka educational qualification kalongkumne pila de ban pendap ya ka degree haka occupational therapy lani pila de ban pendap ya ka BSc bat ru ka diploma haka occupational therapy piran kam ru shisnam experience haka ni ka field nakano ka hospital dan ka medical college pila de ru bandap registered haka rehabilitation council of India. Ya ka post physiotherapist ka balai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kadai 8,000 sauspa hakshi banai ka upper age limit kadai 8,6 ka educational qualification kalongkumne pila de ban pendap ya ka degree haka physiotherapy bat pide ru bandan shisnam experience haka department of physiotherapy nakano ka teaching institute lani ka reputed hospital lani pelak de bandon ka diploma haka physiotherapy but licensed experience haka Department of Physiotherapy nakano ka teaching institute lani ka reputed hospital pelak de ru mandap registered haka Indian Association of Physiotherapists. Ya ka post junior engineer electrical ka belai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kedai lapisan hajar sauspa hakshi benai ka upper age limit kedai lapisan senam ka educational qualification kalongkum ne pelak de ban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree haka electrical engineering. Ya ka post storekeeper ka belai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kedai lapisan hajar sauspa hakshi benai ka upper age limit kedai lapisan senam but ka educational qualification kalongkum ne pelak de ban pendap ka degree haka commerce but pide ru bandan sans nam experience haka management jangka store. Ya ka post health inspector ka balai lightly ka salary lani ka tolap kedai lapisan hajar sauspa hakshi benai ka upper age limit kedai lai post 6 ka educational qualification kalongkum ne pelak de ban pendap ya ka BA lani ka BSc but she's nam shitang training course haka multi-purpose health worker ka balak recognized daka nursing council lani ka DHS jangka state. Pidon kamru arsenam experience kumu multi-purpose health worker haka teaching lanika health institution. Ken I preference yikitu ki beladon ka supervisory experience haka in service training. Ya ka post Audiometric Technician ka belai kawai ka salary lanika tolap kedai apa kendai hajar aspa hakshi benai ka upper age limit kedai lai post 6 ka educational qualification kalongkum ne pelak de ban pendap ya ka BSc haka speech and language pathology lani bachelor's haka audiology. Pide ru bandon cheese nam clinical experience kumu Audiometric Technician haka medical institute lani ka hospital pelak de ru bandap register haka Rehabilitation Council of India. Ya ka post pharmacist ka belai kawai ka salary lani ka tulap kedai apkanai hajar arspa hakshi benai ka upper age limit kedai lai post 6 ka educational qualification kalongkum ne pelak de ban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree haka pharmacy but can come I preference bah yitu pelak dap registered kumu lani ka pharmacist under the Pharmacy Act 1948. Ya ka post technical assistant ka belai santali ka salary lani ka tulap kedai apkandai hajar aspa hakshi benai ka upper age limit kedai lai post 6 ka educational qualification kalongkum ne ya ka Department of GI Surgery pelak de ban pendap ya ka BSc haka OT technology but pide ru bandan arsenam experience haka OT lani ICU lani endoscopy lani pelak de ban pendap ya ka class 12 haka science but pide ru bandan ka diploma haka OT technology but arsenam experience haka OT lani ICU lani endoscopy lani pelak de ban pendap ya ka class 10 but pide bandan riusnam experience haka OT lani ICU lani endoscopy haka Department of General Medicine pan pelak de ban pendap ya ka graduation haka nogo stream but pide bandan arsenam experience haka endoscopy lani pelak de bandap ya ka class 12 haka nogo stream but pide bandan sansnam experience haka endoscopy. Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi berkuat ban apply ya kini ki post pihak ban pa ya ki applications ki jumpi haka prescribe proforma syaka recruitment cell establishment section 3 Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, Maudiang, Shillong, 793018. Bat pihak ban pensyai bapi apply ya ke post iu dak bapi tho ikini kintin application for the post of hadin satho ya ka kerteng jongka post. Ka official notification dan ka notice ka bala apply hi dak ka NEIGRIHMS ngal ai po description jo ka ni video tes ngobha download ya ka bat pulih show ya ka show bapin apply kini ki post kana bapin tip shusho chipang ki wiki details.